Yeah, hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. In this video guys, I'll be showing you how you can simply open a Deriv account, link it up to your MT5, to your MetaTrader 5 and start trading. The complete process, everything you need to know so you won't be left out. Okay guys, follow up with the video. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the link of this video. Yeah, the link at the description, and open an account with Deriv. Okay, just like this is our video, me showing you guys how to trade crash and boom. So this is one of our strategies in our video. So you need to go to the description of the video. Look, sign up to Deriv to trade 24/7 synthetic indices. So you click on the link, it takes you straight to the Deriv website. Yeah, it takes you straight to Deriv website, and then you click on create a free demo account, and then you input your email address. Okay, I created an email for this video, testing Deriv, yeah, at gmail.com. Okay. Okay guys, at gmail.com. okay, so wait for an email because it says we've sent an email to your account, to a message to my Gmail account. So I'm waiting for the message, testing Deriv at gmail.com. So once you input your email address guys, they will send you, yeah, you can see to my email, they'll send you an email which you click on and verify your email. You click on it, it opens, then that's when you complete the process of opening your account. Okay, so once it's open guys, the trading platform, it's open. So my country, you click next, you can put Fiza's password. Let me see, testing 1 2 3, first step. Okay, I click start trading. So guys, I've set the password, but everything we have here is the demo account. You can see it's a demo account. So that's it for now. We have the demo account. So now how do you trade? The next step guys, you open the real account. You click on this, open a real account. You click add on the real account. You can open a dollar account and a euro account, pounds account, whichever one. Or if you want to be depositing and withdrawing with cryptocurrencies, you open either a Bitcoin, an Ethereum, or USD account, whichever you wish. But in this video, I'll open a US dollar fiat account, which I click next, include the first name. So according to our email address, I'm gonna use testing, then the last name Deriv, yeah, then the date of birth, let's say 1998 December. Okay, yeah, what the phone number, it's compulsory, so we can just, since it's not gonna be verifying it now, so let me just say, okay, got it. So since it's not going to be verifying it right now guys, you just use another phone number. Okay, yeah, so exactly, so you click next. It asks for your address, first line address, you fill in address. So I'm gonna say number 2 Martin Street. Okay, you can leave the second line of address, is optional, your town. So let me see, I'm just filling anything guys. So let me set the town Abuja. Okay, the state is FCT, right? Select your state. or FCT. FCT is not a state, guys. Yeah, this is Abuja Capital Territory. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Yeah, so the zip code is optional. You can leave that. You accept that you are not a PEP, that is a political person. Then you click add account. So guys, once this load up, it means your account is ready. You can decide to deposit. Click on deposit if you want to deposit. Let me show you the deposit options available. So on your fiat account, you can deposit via online Naira for Nigerians, credit cards, solid pay, yeah, perfect money. So this is what I use to deposit on my personal account. I use some perfect money and Scree. They are the best for me. I use perfect money, less fee, no a very low charge. So yeah, perfect money and Scree, those are what I use, because card are really discouraging. It works sometimes, it doesn't work. In fact, it doesn't work, especially in my country. So this is this online bank transfer, it's actually expensive. Yeah, it's expensive, so that's why I don't use it. You can also use AstroPay, it's also expensive, but the ones I use is perfect money and or Scree. So you can click on the payment method and then it takes you to the next point where you deposit. That's super easy to use. So guys, now you have now you've opened the account. The next thing for you to do is to open a synthetic account. If you want to trade, Deriv, you can trade financial, which is currencies. You can trade synthetic indices. You can trade the financial STP. So in the MT5 platform, which is the MT5 account, you click on synthetic indices if you want to trade, crash, and boom. So you set your password. So I'm gonna be using the same password, which is testing123. Create the MT5 password. This is the password you use to log into your MetaTrader 5. Yeah, the apps I showed you earlier. So if you have funds in it, you transfer it to your MetaTrader 5. But let's leave this now. Okay, this is the real account I'm talking about, guys. So the real account, this is your login right now for your MetaTrader 5. So all you're simply going to do is to watch at this. You copy the login ID, because you're going to need it on your MetaTrader 5. Okay, these are Ethereum. It's oh my, Ethereum is really falling. Okay, so the next, you're gonna click on add account, click on Deriv, then the one you copied, you paste it right there, guys. You paste it and then you go back there again, and then the password that you created, you impute it there, which is the testing ing 1 2 3 full stop. The server, guys, Deriv 02, because you can see the server Deriv 02. Man, the logins are gone, guys. Okay, do it again. Testing 1 2 3. You click done, guys. You can see it has opened. So currently we are logged into Deriv 02. You can see testing Deriv, which is the name of the account. The chart, you can see now you have your step index, your crash, and boom, your volatilities. So if you try to place a trade, it just show you not enough funds, not enough money. You can see that. So that's how you can link your MT5, your Deriv account to your MT5. So if you deposit on it, you deposit, guys. When you deposit into this account, If you want to deposit, you click on the cashier, you deposit. So after you deposit, guys, you come to transfer. You transfer it to wherever you want to send your money to, guys. So if you deposit, your funds should be at this point. Yeah, this point where it's 0.00 USD, that's where your deposit will be. So it's because we haven't deposited, that's why the transfer won't show. So you can transfer from the USD account to the MT5 account, which is your synthetic MT5 account. It's super easy. Yeah, so for just to make this, to test this thing, guys, we're gonna open a synthetic account on this demo account, so we'll have something to use. Okay, you set your password. Testing 1 2 3 point. You click done, add account. You can see, so now the logins for the demo account. Look, oh this is sorry, yeah, the login, you copy the login ID for the demo account. Remember the server Deriv demo. You come here, you click on add. Okay, paste, then your password. You click done. Shows invalid account. Oh, I didn't. Okay, I used the wrong server. I was supposed to use Deriv demo. Yeah, I'm supposed to use demo, so I'm doing it again now. Paste and testing. What? I think I used the wrong password, guys. So this last time I'm gonna try it again. Deriv server demo. You copy, you paste, and then you type your password. Testing 1 2 3. Then, so this time it should work. Okay, so guys, this is it. You can see the demo account. It's now working. You can place whichever trade. If you want to sell step or buy step index, you buy step index, buy step index, buy. They are all there. Buy. You can see the trade on step index. So this is it. This is how you can use your Deriv, open your Deriv account, set up, deposit, and start trading. As simple as that. So you have all the indices you need, synthetic indices. You can add whichever one you want to add. Again, you simply search for it. You can see range breaker, volatilities. You can decide to add all this. Remember, the platform, it's different for Android and iPhone. So this is an iPhone, so it's different from it. So the advantage of synthetic indices, guys, is the fact that you can trade it 24/7. Yeah, the market doesn't close, and it's more volatile. That it can fetch you big money. It can fetch you quick money in a very short period of time, and the other way around, it can also eat your money in a very short period of time. So you trade wisely, guys. You can watch our strategies on how you can actually make money trading synthetic indices. Check our strategies for crash and boom, volatility indices, and the volatility index, the step index, and all the strategies you need. The link are all in the description below. So check out the channels and check out good videos for you guys to learn how to trade this. So this is how you can open your account and start trading. So this is the demo, yeah, the demo account, the one we just opened, the account. So this is it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Click on the link at the description to open your Deriv account and you start trading with us. Thank you.